This one is not my favorite partner in crime. Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I am Vasilikis and in this video we're going to test together the new liquid lipsticks by Essence. These are the Color Boost Mad About Matte liquid lipsticks. A lot of you were asking for a review for these lipsticks. I decided to get all the colors for this video today and I'm going to swatch all of them so you can see if you like any of these colors. Each liquid lipstick is €2.75. We have 8 milliliters of product and you can find 10 different shades. I'm going to sacrifice my lips today and you're going to see all the colors on me. As always, I will do a wear test for one of the shades and we're going to see if it is long lasting, it is flaking, bleeding, or it is the best. I have done a lot of lip swatches videos. If you want to see some of them, I will have a card here so you can find them easier. Share this video with a friend that likes liquid lipsticks. If you want to see more videos from me, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click on the notification bell to get notified for my latest videos. And without further ado, let's get started with the review. For liquid lipsticks, it is very important to exfoliate your lips before you apply the liquid lipstick because they have a more drying formula and also a matte finish and they can intensify the texture that you have on your lips. So it is better to use a lip scrub before you start applying your liquid lipsticks. And I have made my own lip scrub with a little bit of sugar and honey and I have exfoliated before this video. These are all the lipsticks that we have. I'm going to start with the lighter shades so they will not stain my lips the way that I have done also my Velvet Matte lipstick swatches. I am very curious to see if all of these colors are different because the packaging is very similar. I will start with this one. This is number 2. I love you, me neither, whatever. So I'm going to remove what I have and on my lips I have the Shine 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 lip gloss by Essence in the color Dress Up Our Lips. We have a doe foot applicator and the shape is like an hourglass. This is only with one swipe. It looks very nice and I have very nice color payoff. It doesn't take a lot of time for this formula to dry and that's nice. I prefer that. As we can see, it is date proof. After that, I will apply number 3, Wanna Play. So I think that this one is a light beige with a little bit of pink and peach. This is a very everyday lip color. It is completely matte. This is with only one swipe as well. It is also transfer proof, not sticky at all. It is completely matte and dry. The next color is this one here that I want to try from the beginning and this is number 8, Partner in Crime, and I want to see how this color will look on me. I love it in the Velvet Matte lipstick formula. It is completely dry. We have a very nice opacity of the color. I think I can use just a little bit more on the center of my lips and it is always better with liquid lipsticks to apply a light layer, let it dry and then apply a second layer. So I'm going to just apply a little bit on the center of my lips. It is not sticky and I love this color. It looks amazing. Partner in Crime. Let's continue with number 1, Dusty Romance. And you know how much I like this shade in the Velvet Matte lipstick. Also, let's see if it is exactly the same. Yeah, this is a completely different color. It's not the same. This is a light brown shade. And I think it is fantastic for now and it looks very nice with my eye look. I found the shade Dusty Romance of the Velvet Matte lipsticks and I will swatch them so you can see the difference. And here we have the liquid lipstick and you can see they are completely different shades. I will post on my Instagram account the lip swatches of the Velvet Matte lipsticks. I will have them close to the liquid lipsticks swatches so you can see if some of the colors are the same and maybe you will like to have the same colors. About the liquid lipstick, it is completely matte Again. And it is not sticky at all. This shade looks amazing. Give it a thumbs up. We also have number 5, Dangerously Yours, and I have used this one in my Maybelline advent calendar unboxing video. I will have a cut here if you want to see what I got, and also you can see what eye look I have done for this lipstick. It passes the date proof test too. Let me know if you like this type of colors on you. Next we have number 4, Mud Matters. What? This looks like a mauvish red liquid lipstick. After that we have a very fun color, and this is number 6, Funk You. It looks like it is a very fun, pretty pink color. Let's see how it looks on my lips. We can say this is vibrant. This one is a very vibrant neon pink lipstick, and I thought it would be something like the packaging. This one is not my favorite. Let's continue with this red one. This is number 7, Seeing Red. I have used this one more time, and it is a lot easier if you use a lip liner to outline the lips and after that apply this one, because the doe foot applicator is not very pointy and it's not easy to apply it very precisely on your lips. This is a bright red lipstick. My lips are looking fabulous. After that we have number 9, and this is Magnetic Gloom. This looks a dark cherry. As you can see, the doe foot applicator doesn't make my job easier, especially for the darker colors. Magnetic Gloom is not very opaque on the lips with only one layer, so I have applied more product on the center of my lips that it was looking patchy, and also it is difficult to outline with this doe foot applicator for this shade too. I think this one is a very nice shade for a holiday makeup look. I am not able to pronounce the next name, and it is Pride and Red Juice, I think. This is a dark purple lipstick. Let's see how it looks on my lips. For this one I have applied a second layer because I didn't have a lot of color on the center of my lips again. It is a very dark vampy purple lipstick. For the darker shades I have applied a second layer because the color was not very opaque. I like that the formula is watery and it dries faster. That makes it easier for you to apply a second layer if you want. All the liquid lipsticks have a very sweet chemical scent. It's not very overwhelming, and once the liquid lipstick is dry, you don't smell anything. The tip of the doe foot applicator is rounded and it doesn't make it easy to apply the darker shades, and you need a lip liner to outline your lips, and after that apply these liquid lipsticks. All the shades were very comfortable on the lips and very lightweight. Let me know if you like any of these colors and if you have a favorite one. You know I liked this one, but I also liked a lot the I Love You. Me neither. I think it is a very nice shade for every day. So I will keep this one because I don't want to remove another liquid lipstick. And let's see now if it is long lasting. Hey guys, it's been 5 hours and let's see what happened with the lipstick. Oh, I didn't see that. So the color faded, as you can see, on my upper lip a lot. I was drinking a lot of water. On the bottom lip, as we can see, the inner part looks awful, but this is a very dark color on me, that's why it looks like that. It looks very dry, but it's not uncomfortable and it still feels very lightweight. I am guessing that if I had, for example, one of these colors for the wear test, it wouldn't be so visible. If you like liquid lipsticks, maybe you will like this. With a lip liner, you can make it look better. I never use lip pencils in my lip product reviews because I want to see exactly what happens with the lip product, and I will apply just a light layer to see how it looks. Because the formula is so watery and it dries quickly. It is very easy to use this one to retouch and make the color opaque again. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also let me know in the comments below if you liked any of these colors, and also if you like liquid lipsticks. If you want to learn more about makeup and also see some more videos from me, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!